talking about daily routines. The daily routine is the usual series of things that you do every day. Let's see if the daily routines of the characters in the video are similar to your daily routines. After each dialogue, we will talk about the daily routine of them. Let's get started.
Talk about the daily work. Hey, good morning. Long time no see. How's it going? So good. How are you? Never better. We come early. It's okay. Come in. It's been 6 months since we met. Yeah? How's work going? Everything is great. Which company are you working for? I work for BBC News. Oh, what position? I'm a radio presenter. What do you usually do in that position? I write and deliver the news. I'm also responsible for presenting and interviewing special guests. Sounds interesting. Yeah, I love my job. Sunny, I heard you are working from home. Yes, I'm a freelancer. What does a typical day as a freelancer look like? I'm curious too. Every morning, I often drink coffee and breakfast while checking my email. Around 10 a.m., I have an online meeting with the client. Then I work. I eat lunch at 1. Near the afternoon, I submit my task to the client. Then I'll find some new clients. You like your current job, don't you? I really love it. How about you, Rose? I'm still working at EVF Finance Company. Everything all right? Yep, every weekday I start work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So why are you sighing? Recently I've had a problem with my KPIs, and last week I met a fastidious customer. It'll be okay. Don't worry. Don't talk about work. Let's talk about love. Why are you sighing again? Actually, I just broke up with my boyfriend. Really?
Now, let's talk about Sunny's day. Every morning, Sunny starts her day with a cup of coffee and breakfast, a moment she cherishes. She works from home as a freelancer, which allows her the flexibility to organize her schedule. Around 10 a.m., she has her first online meeting with a client to discuss ongoing projects. The rest of her morning is spent working diligently on her tasks. At 1 p.m., she takes a break to enjoy lunch, which is often something quick and easy, allowing her to return to work promptly. In the afternoon, Sunny finalizes her tasks and submits them to her client. The rest of her day involves looking for new clients and planning future projects. Sunny loves the freedom and creativity her job provides, making every day fulfilling.
What do you usually do in your free time? I'm so glad you invited me out today. My wife just gave birth last month. That's a cute boy. I didn't know. Congratulations. Thanks. How about you? I have a new job, so I'm quite busy. Which company is that? SSC Limited. Oh, I know that company. What do you usually do after work? I often play sports, then watch the news or read a book. Sometimes I go out with my friends, and I guess you must be very busy lately. Yeah, I think you won't have free time when you have a kid. I also have free time. Really? Every day after work, I cook, I love to cook. So I feel happy to cook for my wife while she takes care of our baby. When the baby sleeps, we watch TV together. Sometimes I read books while she takes care of her skin. How about the weekends? I have more free time on weekends. What do you often do? Before having children, on weekends I used to go out, go hiking, or have a picnic. And now, watching my boys sleep and play with him. You have changed a lot. You know, we like our free time because we can relax or do the things that we love. And now what I love is spending time with my little family. Look at you. What a great father.
Let's talk about Victor's new life. Victor recently became a father, a joyous event that has completely transformed his daily routine. Before his son's birth, Victor's weekends were filled with outdoor activities, but now he spends his time caring for and playing with his son. Victor also enjoys cooking, a hobby he has more time for after work. His evenings are spent with his wife watching TV or enjoying quiet moments when the baby sleeps. Victor's life is now focused on his family, providing a sense of happiness and fulfillment he hadn't experienced before.
Eating habits. Andrew? Yes? Would you like to go to prom with me? Sorry, I invited another girl to go with me. Okay. Which girl did you invite? I lied. I just don't want to go with Sarah. Because she's too fat? Don't say that. She isn't here. Am I fat and ugly? No, why do you say that? Your body is beautiful. I used to be a chubby girl, remember? Yes. I changed my eating habits. Can you show me? You need a pen and a paper. Sure. Every day, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. because breakfast is so important. I have lunch at noon. When I feel hungry in the afternoon, I eat healthy snacks. Like fruit, mixed nuts, juices, or yogurt. How about dinner? Don't eat dinner after 9 p.m. Brush your teeth to reduce cravings. I got it. Now I still eat clean. How to eat clean? Make a habit of starting with a salad. I eat more vegetables and fish instead of meat, sweets, and fast food. Say no to soft drinks and junk food. I drink a lot of water. It's really hard, but it's worth trying. Good eating habits not only help you have a beautiful body, but also help you have good health. Thank you. 6 months later. Hi, Sarah. Hi. It's yours. Thanks. Sarah? Yes? This year, would you like to go to the prom with me? No. Thanks for your invitation.
Sarah's new eating habit. Sarah changed her eating habits to improve her health. She starts her day with breakfast at 7 a.m. because it's important. For lunch, she eats at noon. If she's hungry in the afternoon, she chooses healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, juices, or yogurt. She makes sure not to eat dinner after 9 p.m. to avoid eating late. Sarah also brushes her teeth to help stop cravings for food at night. She focuses on eating clean by having salads, more vegetables, and fish. She avoids meat, sweets, fast food, soft drinks, and junk food. Drinking a lot of water is also a big part of her routine. Changing her eating habits was challenging, but she found it worthwhile for her health and well-being.
What time do you go to bed? Hey, are you okay? Sam? Morning, William. It's noon now. Oh, are you sick? No, I'm just sleepy. It's time for lunch. Going to eat together? Okay. What time did you sleep last night? About 1 or 2 a.m.? Why do you stay up late? I'm used to that bedtime. Sleeping too late is not good for health. What time do you wake up in the morning? Around 7 a.m.? You only sleep about 5 hours? How about you? What time do you go to bed? I always go to bed before 11 o'clock. How many hours do you sleep a day? I sleep about 7 to 8 hours per day. I can feel a huge difference when I sleep less. My mind and body will get tired. I can't concentrate. That's exactly what's happening to me now. I know you're used to that bedtime, but try to change for your health. What should I do? I often read books before going to bed. It's important to not get on electronics. I make my bedroom quiet and relaxing. I keep the room at a comfortable, cool temperature. That's a good idea. I don't drink caffeine in the afternoon or evening. I also avoid consuming alcohol before bedtime. Thanks for your sharing. I'll try it. I hope it can help you.
Sam's sleeping routine. Sam has a daily sleeping routine that he's trying to improve. He usually goes to bed very late, around 1 or 2 in the morning. When he wakes up at 7 a.m., he often feels very sleepy because he only sleeps for about 5 hours. Sam knows this is not enough sleep and it makes him tired during the day. In the morning, Sam eats breakfast. He likes to have something quick like cereal or toast. After breakfast, Sam goes to work. He finds it hard to focus because he is so tired. At lunchtime, Sam's friend, William, talks to him about sleeping better. William goes to bed at 11 o'clock and sleeps for 7 to 8 hours. He tells Sam this helps him feel good and work better. Sam wants to sleep more too. William gives Sam some tips. He tells Sam to read a book before bed instead of looking at his phone or computer. He also says Sam's bedroom should be quiet and not too hot or too cold. William tells Sam not to drink coffee or tea in the evening because it can make it hard to sleep. Sam thinks these are good ideas. Sam decides to try these tips to sleep better. He hopes to go to bed earlier, around 11 o'clock, and sleep for longer. Sam wants to feel more awake and work better during the day. He is happy to try changing his routine to improve his sleep.
My daily routine has been changed. Why am I here? You fainted. Fainted? How long? You've been lying here for 20 hours. Oh no. How about my project? You should worry about your health before worrying about your project. You're exhausted and dehydrated. Your body is very weak now. You should rest well. When will I be discharged? I'll examine you and give you the answer tomorrow. Thanks, doctor. Are you okay? My life is so messed up these days. My daily routine has been changed. Why? Because that project makes me dizzy. How has your daily routine changed? Before, I ate 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But recently, I'm too busy to eat 3 meals a day. Sometimes I don't even eat all day. How many hours do you sleep a day? I can't get 7 to 8 hours of sleep like I used to. Lately, I only sleep 2 or 3 hours a day. That's not good. I have to meet with clients, submit reports, fix reports, and meet deadlines. But if you're sick, you can't see clients, and you can't send reports, and you can't do the project well either. You're right. You've been working really hard lately. You're feeling tired, and so is your body. Give your body a little rest. I'll get you some food, okay? Thank you.
Now, let's talk about Alex's wake-up call. Alex's life was recently upended due to exhaustion and dehydration, leading to a hospital stay. Before this incident, Alex was consumed by work, often skipping meals and sleeping only 2-3 hours a night. This lifestyle was unsustainable, and his health suffered as a result. Now, Alex is reevaluating his daily routine, recognizing the importance of balance, health, and well-being. This wake-up call has prompted Alex to prioritize his health, ensuring he eats 3 meals a day and strives for more sleep, understanding that without his health, he cannot achieve his work goals. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.